Now that kind of camera implied a whole family of technologies which did not exist in 1944. Obviously, the place to start was in the image itself. The first domain in which we did our work was in making the instantaneous image itself without liquids. The cameras were large, as you recall, but acceptable. They were grand machines for a grand purpose. They were a long way from the dream which I used to talk about then of being able to take a wallet out of my pocket and perhaps open the wallet, press a button, close the wallet, and have the picture. In 1944, one would have thought that a camera that would do what the Color Pack 2 does would, if at all conceivable, cost perhaps $100. And yet it is clear that as far as we have come, and as remarkable as that achievement seems to be, we are still a long way from the concept, from the realization of the concept of a camera that would be, like the telephone, something that you use all day long, whenever an occasion arises in which you want to make sure that you cannot trust your memory, or when you want to record any object of great interest to you or any beautiful scene.